This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cabbage momos at home. First, let's prepare the dough. Combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour with a half teaspoon of salt in a large bowl. Gradually add water, about 3/4 of a cup, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Knead this dough for 5 to 7 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Cover it and let it rest for at least 30 minutes while we prepare the filling. Next, let's create our delicious cabbage filling. Finely chop about 3 cups of cabbage and 1 medium onion. In a pan, heat 1 tablespoon of oil and sauté the chopped vegetables until they soften slightly. Stir in 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, cooking for 1 minute. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt, a half teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro. Mix well and let it cool. Now for the fun part, shaping your momos. Take small portions of the rested dough and roll them into thin, 3-inch circles. Place about 1 tablespoon of the cooled cabbage, filling in the center of each circle. Carefully fold the dough over the filling to create a half-moon shape, pinching the edges to seal. Then, create small pleats along the sealed edge for that classic momo appearance. Finally, it's time to steam and enjoy your homemade momos. Arrange the shaped momos in a steamer basket, making sure to leave a little space between each one to prevent sticking. Steam them over boiling water for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the wrappers become translucent and the filling is thoroughly heated. Serve these delightful cabbage momos immediately with a spicy dipping sauce. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.